Oh hey guys, welcome to VX Oils. Well, here we are with a 80-piece wooden train set that I bought from Kmart last week. Just have a look at the box here. From Wood Toys. Okay, so we'll just open it up and see what cooks inside. Just hold on. Okay, here we go. Here we come. Very hard to get out. There we go. Okay, here we go. So we just have to cut it along the middle here. And around the sides here. There we go. Around the other side. There we go. Okay. Okay, we'll just open her up, see what we've got. Ooh. Quite a lot. Ooh, have a look at that. Incredible. What a mess. Okay, so see a part of the engine here, so get this one out first. Oh, there's the engine. Just open that up, have a look at that. Here we go. Oh, magnet. Okay, so that's the coal wagon. Nice little coal wagon. Okay. Put that aside. And we have the oil tanker. Nice little oil tanker. Let's open that up. Here we go. Nice little oil tanker here. Does that come off there? Oh look, it comes off. Look at that. Isn't that terrific? Comes off. I put that back on. There we go. And we have a fire engine. Get the fire engine out. Here's a nice little fire engine. Fire engine. There we go. Okay. What else have we got? What have we got down here? This is looks like an ambulance. Yes, that's an ambulance. Nice little ambulance. Red light on the roof. Okay. What else is lurking in the box here? I think there's something in the corner here. Yes, the engine. Here we have the engine. Here we go. Engine out. Nice little engine. Okay. Right, what else do we have? Oh, what's this one? Police van. Police van. There we go. Ooh, it's a smart looking police van. Okay. And what do we have here? We have a school bus. There we go with the school bus. There we go, school bus. School bus. Okay. So, what else have we got? Oh, what's this one here? Some animals I look up. Some animals here. Looks like a sheep. There's a sheep there. A dog. There's a cow. And what's this one? It's a horse. There we go. Now what else have we got? Got a house here. This is the police station. Police station. I just leave that down there. And what's this? A house, is it? Looks like a house. Yep, there's a house there. There's a hospital. Hospital. And what's this one here? There's a church, is it? Looks like a church. Here we go. And what's this one? School. That's a school. And here we have some trees. And here we have some signs. We have a lot of signs, haven't we? A lot of signs there. Stop signs, railway signs, do not enter sign, people walking sign, stop sign. There's a stop sign there. Okay. Here's some bushes. Okay. And what else? Oh, here's a taxi. Open the taxi up. There's a taxi here. That was too hard to open. Let's open that later. There's a taxi with a green light on the roof. what else? Oh, we have some children here. Here's some children. Oh, look at all the children. There's a porter. There's a workman there. A little boy and a little girl. And we have the instructions telling us how to put it together. Tells us what's in the kit. There we go. And lastly we have all the rails here. Oh, look at this one. It's a crossing. Crossing there. Here we have some straight rails. Here we have some curved rails. Here we have some turn-off rails. There we go. And lastly we have some curved rails here. A lot of curved rails. There we go. I think that's all. Yep, the box is empty. Okay, now while I was in Kmart, I picked up a few more things to go with the train set. Here's a passenger train. Passenger train. Very smart looking. Okay, and I picked up a tunnel. There's a tunnel. And also a couple of tip trucks. Wooden trucks. There we go. Okay, so that's as far as we go for now, guys. I'll just have to put this all together. So stay tuned for my next video where I put all these together and we run the trains. So thanks for watching and cheerio.